shaped to look like albums stacked on top of each other.
Are you guys taking pictures? Are you guys remembering? They'll look alright like that. Okay.
In Hollywood Hills, I'm going to show you where they live in just a moment. Canyon, see it? Have you ever heard of it? Running Canyon. It's where everybody that lives in LA goes for exercise. So the Kardashians go there. Justin Bieber goes there every morning. He's home here in LA. The musicians go there to get ready for their world touring. I'm going to show you the entrance if you want to check it out. And once you get to the top of Running Canyon, it's the same views of what you just saw at downtown LA. Is the oldest house in Hollywood. See it up there on the left? Yeah. That's Yamashiro Japanese restaurant. It's the oldest house in Hollywood. Came over on a Bargo ship in 1904. That's where they put the first house in Hollywood on top of that hill. Same views of what you just saw at downtown LA. Have you ever heard of Bob Barker from the show The Price is Right?
Yes.
Right there. Bob! Bobby! Okay, up here on the left are 4 silver statued ladies. LA's Walk-in City. Right here on the left, this blue house with the red door used in the first Nightmare on Elm Street. Freddy Krueger house. And then on the right, this greenhouse is a Halloween house. This is where they filmed the first Halloween in 1978. Be like the paparazzi and take it quick. Okay, right here on the right, famous Laugh Factory. Tim Allen, Thursday nights at the Laugh Factory. That's where they roasted just Kevin. All the celebrities go to hide at night. I saw Paris Hilton running down the sidewalk, going inside. Hi. Leonardo DiCaprio owns this hotel. And Marilyn Monroe, Sharon Stone, and Selena Gomez have lived inside Sunset Tower Hotel. Selena Gomez sold her house to Iggy Azalea. Okay. Right here on the right, Saddle Ranch, they give free cotton candy. And then they have a mechanical bull inside that you can ride. Up there on the right, Comedy Store owned by Pauly Shore's mom. That's Arnold's. It's the only diner open on the strip 24 hours a day. And then Cafe Med on the right was used in Lindsay Lohan's movie Canyons. This is Sunset Plaza. They're always filming here, Gossip Girl or something. Right here on the right, Jessica Nail Clinic is where Mila Kunis and Demi Moore get their nails done. And Mila Kunis had to switch her day so she wouldn't run into Demi there. And then next to her, Cravens with the white tablecloth used in a teen show called Jonas L.A. And then this fellow owns Sunset Kids, and Jessica Alba, Nicole Richie, Halle Berry, Gwen Stefani show for their children. I'm actually gonna go right where that white van's at if you want to take a selfie. Behind you, so I cannot stop. Okay, right here on the right, Shirley Temples. It just sold for $11 million. Now the new owners did all that nice stuff to it. Top of the hill like Iron Man 2 and 3 house. Ready? 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 See that big roof up there? Yeah. That's Tom Cruise's $40 million mansion. Shaquille O'Neal's, and it's for sale for $72 million. It's a 28,000 square foot mansion, 50 car motor court. Right here on the right, Beverly Hills Hotel. Get your cameras ready. It was built in 1923, same year as a Hollywood sign, and it is home to the first movie theater in the world. First movie theater ever built in the world was inside this hotel, and back then televisions weren't even invented yet. And it was just recently purchased for $125 million from the Sultan of Brunei. And the room rates just went up. The room rates start at $600 a night. It goes up to $8,000 a night. Stocked with expensive liquor. One glass of the liquor, $800 a glass. This is where Paris and Nikki Hilton was raised. They no longer live there. Their parents do. But right here on the right, Elvis Presley's last Los Angeles home he lived in. And then on the left, King of Pop, Michael Jackson's. This is the back. I'm going to show you the front. Michael Jackson. Guys, I had the bunnies on my bus. See the bunnies? Okay, right there on the left is the famous Talking Rock. You have to talk to that rock if you want to go inside. Rock decides who he opens the gate for.
Oh.